back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the Best Westerns Hotels and Resorts Group, and even though this is going to require a little bit of phone work, it is not a call center customer service job. You will not be on the phone the entire time. It does include other types of job duties. We are going to dive all into it. Just know the link, if you're interested in applying, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Best Western is hiring a property management systems account specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. Don't let the job title intimidate you. Even though they call it a property management systems account specialist, I like to call it a customer happiness specialist. They are looking for somebody to meet regularly with customers by phone or alternate communication methods such as email, chat, text, or virtual like FaceTime type meetings to ensure that the customers are consistently satisfied with Best Western's products and services, and if they have any issues, that they get escalated and resolved in a timely manner. You're going to ensure customer satisfaction by facilitating positive, long-term, loyal relationships with those customers. You'll be talking to them and evaluating their needs and propose potential solutions. You're also going to be creating social media content regularly for various platforms such as Facebook. You'll respond to all customer inquiries on those social media platforms as well in a timely manner, and of course escalate any issues up to support or support management teams as needed. You'll also use those social media channels to drive sales for existing and future customers, and of course you may also be providing trainings for customer support. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who can perform work with a high degree of quality and integrity. So somebody who takes pride in their work. Someone who is a great relationship builder, because they're looking for someone to help build those customers into loyal customers that keep coming back over and over. Somebody who can handle complex issues under stress. Somebody who knows how hotels operate. And somebody who can be flexible to pivot on the fly due to business needs. Now, they also need someone who is experienced with social media platforms and has the ability to meet deadlines, but can stay customer focused. Now, if you don't mind doing a little bit of phone work, they are paying anywhere from $67,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.